Hello there, ladies and gents. Darren from White Trailer Park. Excuse me, as you can see, it's a bit of a wet day, so I can't do my normal start out the front. But here is a little view of the front yard as we go around 9 Crest Street in Beenleigh. As usual, you don't want to look at me, you want to look at the property, so let's turn this. And here we go. So, behind our lovely high white picket fence and oversized, very well done hedge. Lovely big front yard, and then the front of the house is actually shielded by a lovely big passion fruit vine held up, well structured. But plenty of room here for the kids to run around, and then for those with eagle eyes, there are a variety of fruiting plants and vegetables around the property, which all add to the little retreat feel of it. So let's go in. So 9 Crest Street in Beenleigh, it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. I'm going to stop here so you see the full length covered front veranda with our shade sails leading way to the vine as mentioned, which gives it a nice little retreat feel as you walk in. Outstandingly presented home. The couple here have really done a great job of looking after it while they've lived here. They're moving off to the farm life is our reason for sale. And as a step in, the first thing that you notice is just the space. Like, when you think 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, you usually think a little small cookie cutter type thing. But this one is very, very large. So we start here in the major living space and we'll work our way to the bedroom shortly. But this works into effectively 2 spaces. So oversized air conditioning, as you can see, nice downlights all the way through. So as we see our way here, full-size room which was used as lounge and office spaces. So we move across to capture back towards the front door, just again showing you how large this space is. I'll sort of head back here to the corner, and then the delegation line. So, but yeah, it really is an oversized space. Don't know if the camera's doing value of it. Then separate dining room leading out to the backyard. We'll head out there shortly. A nice airy kitchen, which importantly looks straight out over into the backyard. Keep an eye on the kids while they're going. Plenty of cupboard storage space there. And here at the end, plenty of space for a large fridge. And coming off this space is your formal laundry, which is oversized. I wouldn't be surprised to see someone turn this into a second bathroom somewhere down the track. Alright, so back through our living space, we'll head down to our bedrooms. So, separate toilet, then bathroom. The bathroom has dual access, as you can see, feeding straight off, full-size tub, separated shower. You notice all the way through the lovely floating floors. They're a recent addition. We come to the master here with its mirrored built-ins, overhead fan. Again, good size room and gives plenty of view out to the backyard. Move our way forward. Bedroom number 2. This one fronting the front yard. And again, nice, bright and airy. There's your built-ins in there as well as your overhead fan. And then bedroom 3, I should mention as we go past, linen press, extra storage. Bedroom 3, again with your built-ins and your overhead fan. And again, this lovely floating floor all the way through. Super easy maintenance, stylish look. Great addition that they put in. Let's head on back out to the living space. Again, that so large living space. Again, just pointing out, it is a very, very dreary day as I shoot this, and yet the house still looks nice and bright because it particularly is. So you step outside, what you don't often get in a 3-bedder is a full-length, fully covered entertaining area. This would easily hold day beds, oversized lounges, etc. Then to the nice and private backyard, plenty of room there for footy, cricket, tennis, whatever the kids are playing. Keep them all nice and busy. And then working our way. Now, when we started, I should have mentioned that we have a double carport out the front, and then out the back here we have a single shed which is currently used as a workshop, but as you can see with the oversized doors, can be turned into, or reused as a garage rather easily again. So even a little bar set up here, so you can sit back, watch the kids watch the kids play as you finish out your day's activities. And again, that full length entertaining space leading its way back in to our entry point kitchen, round to the laundry. So locale wise, you're around about a 2-minute drive to the train station, probably 3 minutes I guess to Trinity College, 5 if that to Canterbury College, walking distance to public schools, walking distance effectively to the train station, shopping centres, etc. Plenty of convenience stores around here as well, so cafes, that sort of thing, and it really is a great offering. So it's going to auction on the 14th of February. Yes, that's Valentine's Day, because there's nothing more romantic than buying your new home. So it'll be held at 6 p.m. at Fitzys and Loganholme. We go under the hammer. The instructions are very clear that we are to sell on the night, and I can tell you I do a lot of 3-bedroom properties in the area. This would be both one of the best presented and largest that I've done, and a real credit to the team as they've put this together and got it ready for sale. Again, the address is 9 Crest St Beenleigh, going to auction on the 14th of February, 6 p.m. at Fitzys Loganholme. Give me a call, Darren the Auction King, 0420 620 760. Or drop me an email, darren.mccosker@raywhite.com, or hit me up on Facebook, Insta, those sort of things, at Darren McCosker Realtor. Again, 9 Crest Street in Beenleigh. Look forward to seeing you here at the Opens. If you can't make it, we are putting this up online, obviously, and we'll do virtual inspections as well. So feel free to give me a call, and look forward to speaking to you soon.